Sesame Beginnings, Nighty-Night. Here we go. When it's time to go to sleep and rest your head, do you sometimes need your favorite toy to snuggle with in bed? Elmo has a bunny who helps him get to sleep. The bunny's soft and comfy and never makes a peep. When it's time for bed, Big Bird can sleep almost anywhere, as long as he always has his favorite teddy bear. Bert snuggles with his blankie oh so very tight. It keeps him safe and warm all throughout the night. Now it's time for you to say nighty-night. What will you snuggle with as we turn out the light? The end. I hope you enjoyed reading a book with me. See you next time. Good night.